litter everywhere. Stop. Dude. Calm yourself. You're getting it everywhere.
Aw, look at that sweet, sleepy little cat. Probably real tired from waking me up at 4 o'clock in the morning for no reason, huh?
Small void. No, only cuddles. And food. Head empty. No think. Elevator music.
Andy, what the fuck is going on right now? What the fuck? Why is it making that sound? What the fuck?
Taji, you're way too close. Mummy's getting way too scared now. Taji!
You put one fin on that boat. Are you listening to me? Don't touch the boat. Nemo!
My mom got me a motherfucking cat. I watch over him all damn day, but I don't like it when Winchester tries to eat my food. I give him a nudge and a tap. That's right, you little mofo. Boundaries.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Then we're gonna meow, meow, meow. And meow, meow. What the hell are you staring at? It's just a wall.
Oh my god, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. Oh god. Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. Nova, please don't! Don't!
Pudding!
I can't even believe my eyes. I can't even believe my eyes. He doesn't want you, bitch. He doesn't want you. Completely uninterested. He doesn't want you. Not wanted. No means no.
Ow.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
This is how desperate my cat is to hang out with me every single second.
Kisses? Kisses? You want kisses? Okay. You're fucking wrecking my shirt.